tus sueños y demás. Así que nada, Alice de Wii. Seems like yesterday, but it was long ago. Janie was lovely, she was the queen of my nights. There in the darkness with the radio playing loud, and the secrets that we share, the mountains that we move, cold like a wildfire out of control, till there was nothing left to burn and nothing left to prove. And I remember what she said to me, how she swore that it never would end. I remember how she held me oh so tight. Wish I didn't know now what I didn't know then. Against the wind, we were running against the wind. We were young and strong, we were running against the wind. The years rolled slowly past, and I found myself alone, surrounded by strangers and none were my friends. Found myself a little further from my home now, as I lost my way. There were oh so many roads I was leaving to running and running to leave, never worried about paying or ever how much I owe. Moving 8 months, a minute, 4 months of time, breaking all of the rules that were made. Began to find myself searching for shelter again and again. Against the wind, little something against the wind. I found myself seeking shelter against the wind. Well, the street these days are past me now. I've got so much more to think about. against the wind,
against the wind,
still running
against the wind, against the wind,
against the wind, yeah, against the wind, against the wind. Gracias.